Hey guys, Will here. Today we are doing, I don't know if you can hear me because this mic, I don't know what's wrong with it, but anyway, you might still be able to hear me, but I'm going to speak quite loud because last time I don't think it was loud enough for you guys to hear it. So yeah, this is going to be my FUT 17 pack opening video. First, I have saved up a bunch of coins and we're going to open some special packs today, but not just yet. First of all, I'm going to show you my club. I've got 2,265 cards out of 2,716. So let me just scroll to the top. This is my club so far. I've got 99 Ronaldo, 98 Suarez, and Pele, a bunch of cool cards. And I'm sick of seeing that BK come up when I open a pack. It annoys me. A load of legends, as you can see. I could go on for ages. If I click type, I've got these, what you can see I've got. Nearly got all of the rares. Nearly. So, yeah, let's open some packs first, just to, like, you know, get us started, get us warmed up. Herrera. Sick. Quick sell that. So we get some coins. Oh, who's this? Gradle. Okay. If I pronounce any of these names wrong, I'm sorry, because I'm not good at pronouncing names. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. Come on, I'm hoping to get some special cards in this video. Sorry about that I've not been uploading lots. I've been trying to do this video 90 somewhat times, and it just doesn't work. So, anyway, back to this. Marcelo, I know him. I don't really, but just pretend. Sorry about all these it's just, yeah, I'm tired. Right, to get this mixed up a little bit now, I'm not even gonna pronounce that. What I'm gonna do is go to store, 100,000 coins for a special pack. I'm hoping I get the Team of the Year Messi. It just opened for me. Anyway, we got that dude, Aguero, Santi Cazorla. Sick. We're gonna buy another, and then we'll open some normal packs. Come on, give me a Messi. God damn it. I've got this guy already, which is why it annoys me, because I have got quite a few cards. By quite a few, nearly all of them. If you think this quality of recording is good, comment down below. Subscribe to Michael Dada, aka MC Toby. I clicked the wrong button. Damn it. Store. There we go. 100k pack. Come on, give me a Messi. Oh, legend boys! Getting there. Who is it? It's Kane. Yay. Anyway, that's a pretty decent pack. I'm going to show you my... Oh, wrong button again. I'm going to show you my best pack. I think you're going to my clubs. Best... No, hang on. Best pack, yeah. When I've had this Ronaldo. 10... No, not 10,000. 1,063. Laptop. Shush. Sorry about that. So yeah, let's carry on opening some packs. I have got a few games, which I might do some on, maybe Geometry Dash, Minecraft, Pixcarizer, this. If you have any games that you want me to play, comment down below and I'll definitely play them. I showed this to my brother, and all he was on about was his hair, which is a bit ridiculous. To be honest, well, it's not ridiculous, it's just crazy. Like this, guys. El Shade. I don't know, sorry if I pronounced that wrong. 100,000 coins. Come on, Messi. done. Oh, man of the match, Schweinsteiger. Yes. That is sick. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. That's YouTube, god damn it. Schweinsteiger, save all. Boom. Right, I'm happy about that. I'm not happy about him, but still. Next one. Come on. Someone go, ooh. Higuain, 89 rated. Anyone else in the pack? No. Okay. We have enough to do 2 more. If I don't get anything good from this. After a week's worth of saving up coins. Yeah, I'm not too happy. Right, I need to just open a pack so we can get some coins. Right. Store. 100,000 coins. Come on, give me your team of the year, Messi. Dost. Really? They're all going in the bin. All my laptops turned on, yay. Don't know why. Quick sale. If there's anything you want to see from me, definitely comment down below and I will do it. Go subscribe to Michael MC Toby. I need to practice saying that, MC Toby. So yeah, go subscribe to MC. Links in the description. And you better put me in the description of his next video. I'm only kidding. Please do it. I don't know if you can hear from my mic. Is it muted? No. So yeah, I don't know how good this is going to sound, but we'll do, let's say, 5 more packs starting from here. So this is pack 1. Pack 2. Ooh, an inform. For some reason I thought that was Ronaldo.